My name is Nicholas D. Benedetto. I'm an associate editor of mathematics books here at Springer Nature. I've been working regularly since my tenure with Marcel, Dragana, and Stacy on the Mathematics in Mind book series. And I'm happy to report a few updates that relate to the series since my visit to Fields last May. That was for the conference Learning and Teaching Mathematics Today, Cognitive Science, Technological, and Semiotic Perspectives, for those who attended or those who did not. For those unaware, the Mathematics in Mind book series has been published by Springer since 2017. And I'm just going to read a brief description of the series. The monographs and occasional textbooks published in this series bring together mathematicians, philosophers, and cognitive scientists to explore the question of the nature of mathematics and how it is learned from various interdisciplinary angles. Themes and concepts to be explored include connections between mathematical modeling and artificial intelligence research, the historical context of any topic involving the emergence of mathematical thinking, interrelationships between mathematical discovery and cultural processes, and other semiotic processes. All works are peer-reviewed to meet the highest standards of scientific literature. Now, since my last visit to the Fields Institute, I'm very happy to report that Dragana, who formerly served on the series editorial board, has taken on the role of series editor alongside Marcel Danese. And additionally, following a positive reception at last year's workshop, I've worked with both Marcel and Stacy on the formation of a sub-series for the main series entitled Springer Briefs in Cognitive Mathematics, for which they are both sub-series editors. For those unaware of how Springer Briefs work, I'll give a brief description of that as well. Springer Briefs present concise summaries of cutting-edge research and practical applications across a wide spectrum of fields. Featuring compact volumes of 50 to 125 pages, the series cover a range of content from professional to academic. Briefs are characterized by fast global electronic dissemination, standard publishing contracts, standardized manuscript preparation and formatting guidelines, and expedited production schedules. Typical topics may include timely report of state-of-the-art techniques, a bridge between new research results as published in journal articles and a contextual literature review, a snapshot of a hot or emerging topic, an in-depth case study, or a presentation of core concepts that students must understand in order to make independent contributions. Now, this sub-series seeks to expand the type of content published within Mathematics in Mind and give prospective authors an opportunity to publish more concise, focused content on new and emerging research at the intersection of mathematics and cognitive science. In a very happy coincidence, when the Mathematics in Mind series first started in 2017, between my boss, Elizabeth Lowe, and Marcel Danese, the first two volumes published in that series were actually Yair Newman's Mathematical Structures of Natural Intelligence and Marcel's book on Ames's legacy. Happily enough, for the sub-series, the first two books are also by Yair Newman and Marcel Danese. Both are set to be published by the end of the year, if you want to look out for them. But the first is Mindmatics by Yair Newman and Image Schema Theory and Math Cognition by Marcel Danese. The Math in Mind series has been very active since its inception. We've published about 14 titles in total, averaging about 2 titles per year. And it's been a great effort. I'd love to thank Marcel Danese, Dragana Martinovic, Stacy Costa. All their efforts have helped see the series have considerable growth, especially over the past year. I'd like to thank the Mathematics in Mind editorial board, whose contributions help assure the content in the series is peer-reviewed to the highest degree. And I'd also like to thank Elizabeth Lowe, my boss, whose efforts and guidance within Springer have helped immensely on the progress made in the series throughout the year. For those interested in speaking publication-wise about Mathematics in Mind matters, Springer Briefs in Cognitive Mathematics matters, you're more than welcome to reach out to me during the lunch hour, speak with me here. I've also brought with me some flyers with descriptions of the most recent books published in Math in Mind. They're on the table in the back just outside this room here. So unless anyone has any questions for me right now, I'll let us break for lunch so that we can save ourselves. Thank you, everyone.